Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will showcase one of our projects on how to send multiple emails using Salesforce CPQ Advanced Approval. In this video, we will utilize Advanced Approval in Salesforce CPQ to increase the efficiency of the sales process. Let's start by talking about Salesforce CPQ Advanced Approval and package settings. For businesses with more involved approval workflows, Salesforce CPQ offers advanced approvals. When a sales representative submits records for advance approval, such as a quote or opportunity, the advance approval package evaluates the package approvals rules. If any of those rules meet the criteria, the rule and Salesforce CPQ send the approval request email to your approvals. Next comes package settings. Advanced approval package settings define advanced approval features and standards across your Salesforce org. Steel Brick Advanced Approval takes approval processes to the next level and supports complex approval processes with dynamic approvals. Let's head over to the project overview and the client's requirement. Implemented Salesforce Advanced Approvals include an approver, a user who receives approval request emails. The approver can approve or reject an approval request within the Salesforce CPQ Advanced Approvals. Let's now look at the client's requirements. When the list price is less or equal to 10K, the approval will go to the account director. If the payment term do not equal to net 30 and the billing frequency is not equal monthly, the approval will go to the finance manager. The third scenario is when the note field volume is not equal to null. The approval will go to the legal manager. Here are the steps for generating approvals based on the first scenario. When the list price is less or equal to 10K, approval will go to the account director. Here is the quote liner window where we can enter the list price, which is less than 10K. Then the approval will go to the account director. Let me show you the project demo. Here is the implementation window where we can click on quote and open the quote record according to the first requirement. We just click on edit lines and we add the product. Here is the product, and according to the first requirement, we enter the list price is less than 10K. So enter the value of 5000, then we click save. To preview the approval, we just click on the preview approval button. According to the second requirement, when the payment term are not equal to net 30 and the billing frequency is not equal to monthly, hence we just enter the payment term as a net 60 and the billing frequency is annual. Then we click on save. We just go for the preview approval. So here are the two approval. First is for the account director and the second is for finance manager. According to the third scenario, when the note field value is not equal to null, I just put on the value on the note field and then click on save. When we click on the preview approval, then here are three approvals. The first one is for the account director, the second one is for the finance manager, and the third one is for the legal manager. Let me show you how to send single or multiple emails to the approval using the advanced approval package settings. Here are the scenarios for sending single or multiple emails to the approver. The first scenario is for sending a single email to the approver. When approver approves the request, the email will send to the approver. If approval rejects the request, they send the approval request email in situations where they need to approve the same request for multiple agents. The second scenario is sending various emails to the same user. Now I will do some configurations. After that, the email will send multiple times to a particular users. When approval approves the request, the email is sent to the approver. If approval rejects the request and sends the approval request email in situation where they need to approve the same record for multiple reasons. This is all about this project. Are you looking to hire the best CPQ implementation partner to accelerate your business growth and achieve sales excellence? Get in touch with Cloud Analogy. Our experience in Salesforce CPQ solutions backed by CPQ experts will promise you agile and scalable CPQ implementation. We help companies like yours leverage the capabilities of Salesforce CPQ solutions to solve business challenges.